Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's get into this video, but before we do, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so you won't miss any new videos. Let's get started. Okay, so these are the 4 items that I use to do my eyebrows, and I get them from the Dollar Tree or Target. Very cheap, inexpensive. So you have your pencil, your brush that you use to outline, also the brush to brush it in. As you can see, I do need a wax, but that's why I do these videos, to show you that in between your visits you can actually have some cute brows. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna create the outline. And it don't have to be perfect. Now, the reason why I use, like, I've had this pencil for a long time, and probably gonna use it till it gets I'm gonna use it until it's like completely gone. Because you know what? You don't need, this is just simple. You could go to the dollar store, Dollar Tree, whichever, right? To get is cheap and it will last a long time. So what I'm doing now is I'm just working out. Can you see it? Let me focus. So, can you see the difference? Okay. Now, you don't have to, I like to do these at the same time. Does it look the same? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go in again with this right here to kind of work it in. Again. I like my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. Okay. Again, this is just a quick tutorial. Nothing fancy. And I'm using Maybelline. Okay guys, so I just did the same thing that I did here to here, you know, and you could work it out like this, work it out. You can go like that. I look like a raccoon, but stay tuned for the full face. Okay, when I say full face, I mean I'm not gonna beat my face, but just for you to see how it looks blended all together. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm using, see that? Can you see it? It is NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. All right, I'm gonna try it. So normally this is not what I use, but I'm out off my makeup. All right. So I'm just gonna work it in, work it in, work it in. Johnny. Oh, this lighting down here is better. As you can see, I'm stooping over because I can't find my tripod. Not that I can't find it, but I just can't be bothered to look for it right now. I'm gonna get up a minute. Alright. Okay guys, so this was just a simple tutorial how to do your eyebrows really fast and quick. You don't need a lot of expensive stuff to get this look. I got my pencil from the dollar store, and my concealer I got from Target that I use around the eyes. If you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, this is my favorite go-to lipstick. Mwah. Okay, so this is MAC. Oh, don't look at my nails. MAC, and it is Frost Dominate A81. Okay, so if you like it, check it out. My makeup, I use NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and it's supposed to be a full coverage. Well, it really is full coverage because I only use one coat, and it seems pretty good. Now, I'm not like, I don't know how to do fancy makeup or full coverage and beat to the gods.